This video will teach you about bases. When we spoke about acids last time, I defined the Bronsted-Lowry acid and base, and I'm going to redo that here so you have it in one place. And as I said before, we are going to use the Bronsted-Lowry model for acids and bases. So a Bronsted-Lowry base is a receiver of H+, it's a proton. So a proton acceptor. Bases go the opposite direction of an acid. So where an acid would lose an H+, a base will receive an H+. So let's do some examples. Hydroxide. Because oxygen only has one bond here, it has a formal negative charge. At the bottom of your homework assignment, there is a video that explains the origin of the formal negative charge. It's here where there is an extra electron pair where oxygen can receive an H+. So we're going to demonstrate that with an arrow. Like this. And that will form water. This is a nice, stable water molecule. Let's do a second example. Here we have a base called formate. This base receives an H+. Where does it receive the H+? Where there is the formal negative charge. Whew, like that. And in the forward direction, it makes an acid. This acid is called formic acid. You'll see this similar naming convention a lot with acids and bases. Like carbonic acid becomes carbonate. Acetic acid becomes acetate. This reaction is reversible. Some base reactions are reversible and some are not. This is a covalent bond. That's what forms when the H+ attaches to the oxygen. The extra electron pair that we have on our base becomes the bonding pair between oxygen and hydrogen. Let's do one more, and I'm going to draw this a little different. So I'd like for you to think to yourself, can an H+ attach here? Yes or no? You might be thinking no, because nitrogen's valence is filled. It has 3 bonds, and it can only make 3 bonds. But this is actually not true. An H3, ammonia, can act as a base, and it can become this. In this form, the nitrogen has a positive charge. So if I drew it with a line structure with 3 dimensions, it's going to look like this. A nice dash and wedge, and a positive formal charge. Nitrogen can have 4 bonds. Okay, so to recap, bases will accept hydrogen. Some reactions are reversible, meaning they can go forward, which would be like this direction, and they can go backwards. And some things can do some unexpected things, like nitrogen can have 4 bonds. All right, you should be able to do your homework now. There's some more video instruction on the homework if you need help with individual problems.